Rising Water, the story of the Thai cave rescue by Mark Aronson. "We found them," was the crackled radio message heard by anxious rescuers on July 2, 2018. The Wild Boars soccer team and their coach had been discovered by divers deep within a flooded Thailand cave tunnel. Heavy monsoon rains had trapped the group for 8 days in a dark, cold cave as a daring international rescue team worked around the clock to find a way to locate and safely bring them all out alive. But not everyone was so lucky. The breathtaking rescue captivated the world's attention and required rescuers to think creatively, use technology, work against Mother Nature, as well as find ways to not let their own egos and politics get in the way. Rising Water recounts the true story of how the rescue unfolded with a behind-the-scenes look at what worked and what went wrong.